How to learn data science while working a 9-to-5 job in 6 months. This video will tell you how. Are you interested in learning data science but don't know how to fit it into your busy schedule? In this post, we will discuss some tips for how to start learning data science while working a full-time job. What to expect when starting to learn data science. When you start learning data science, you will likely be introduced to a variety of different concepts and terms. Here are some of the most important concepts that you will learn when studying data science. Data analysis. This is the process of analyzing and understanding data in order to make informed decisions. This is the process of analyzing and understanding data in order to make informed decisions. Machine learning. This is a field of computer science that involves teaching computers how to learn from data and make predictions based on that information. This is a field of computer science that involves teaching computers how to learn from data and make predictions based on that information. You'll learn more about each of these topics as you study data science further. If you're trying to break into the industry, it's important that you make use of your free time. A great way to do this is by studying data science from Monday to Friday, from around 6 to 9 p.m. This was a great way for me to study without taking away from my free time on the weekends. Of course, this may not work for everyone, so feel free to tailor it to fit your own needs. If you're looking for a more structured learning experience, consider buying an online course. These courses usually last around 12 weeks and will teach you everything from the basics of data science to more advanced topics like machine learning and deep learning. You could also try learning from books if that's what works best for your schedule. YouTube. There's no shortage of great data science content on YouTube. Khan Academy. Khan Academy is a great place to start if you're looking for introductory material on data science. Khan Academy is a great place to start if you're looking for introductory material on data science. Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow is a Q&A website where people can ask and answer questions about a variety of topics, including data science. This is a great place to go if you're looking for specific solutions to problems or want to learn more about a certain topic. Stack Overflow is a Q&A website where people can ask and answer questions about a variety of topics, including data science. It's also a great place to find open source data science projects that you can download and try out for yourself. Once you have a good grasp on all the data science concepts and know your way around Python or any other coding language, it's time to put them into practice. The best way to learn is by doing so. I recommend creating your own projects that relate directly with what interests you most. The possibilities are endless when it comes to data science projects, so don't be afraid of getting creative. If you're looking for a more structured way to do projects, consider doing them through Kaggle. Kaggle is a website where people can compete in data science competitions. This is a great way to not only practice your data science skills but also to learn new ones. One of the best things about data science is that there's a huge online community of people who are willing to help. A great way to stay motivated and connected with other people learning data science is by joining a Slack group. There are plenty available online for free, so do some research and see what works best for you. I recommend trying online communities or forums first, and if that doesn't work then start outreaching on LinkedIn to see if someone is willing to help or know anyone who is. Data science is a tough field and you need to put in a lot of hard work if you want to succeed. If that's something that interests you, then don't hesitate, start learning today. Like, comment and subscribe for more of this content.